Hello, my name is Nicholas Stowden. I'm the plantsman with Village Nurseries. Today I am with
Giselle Schoniger, also known as G, from Kellogg Garden Products.
We're going to talk about my second favorite subject, and that's container gardening. Not about the plants, although we're going to look at some of those, but it's about what goes in the pot. What is it?
At Kellogg we have a fabulous palm, cactus, and citrus mix with a very coarse texture, fast draining, with just the right nutrient charge.
Perfect. Let's go and see how we use it.
Sounds good.
I love the succulents. There's so many of them, and I brought just 3 along for you to look at. First of all, there's an aloe called Little Gem. Flowers on the aloes are fantastic. Hummingbirds love them. In the warmer climates, they're going to live year round. In the colder climates in America, they're going to need some winter protection. A crassula called Campfire. Great red fiery foliage, and the plant spreads out horizontally. And then lastly, an Echeveria, and there are so many different varieties. Just one I brought along is called Pulve Oliver, because I like the name Oliver. Wonderful, nice green foliage, bright red tips, and these killer, almost tangerine colored flowers. So what are we going to plant them in?
So we have a Kellogg palm, cactus, and citrus mix. It is the ideal soil for indoor or outdoor, and it's really because of fast drainage. It has just the right amount of nutrient charge because succulents and cactus don't want to be forced to grow. So this is a very coarse mix, lots of pumice, large pumice and sand, and it's ideal for indoor or outdoor.
Great. Let's do some planting. When you buy a container like this beautiful Roman type, make sure it has a hole in the bottom. This is important because it lets the water drain out. And then you need to place a broken bit of pottery over the hole so it stops the soil coming out. And then we fill up our container. This is great soil. One more. Wow. And we're going to take our crassula, Campfire, gently tap him out of the pot. Make sure there's about an inch gap from the top. Lastly, a good drink, so the plant really waters in well. In 2 or 3 weeks' time, this plant will be cascading over the side. Giselle, that was a real learning experience. I never knew you could grow so many fabulous plants in this mix. Agaves, echeverias, hasparellas, citrus, limes, lemons, kumquats, palms, I mean the list goes on and on.
Plumeria.
Yeah, grapefruits, you name it. What really is in this bag that makes it all happen?
It has pumice and sand, which is fast draining. This is a plant category that does not like wet feet. So we want to make sure it has the perfect moisture, but that the water moves past the root zone.
Fantastic. At Village Nurseries Landscape Centers, we carry the very best selection of succulents, agaves, plants which are appropriate for our region, and of course, we carry the palm, cactus, and citrus mix.